Hi all, Rene here, and today I am here to make the, we are making the April layout for the Reasons to Smile Cut Above Layout Kit, calendar kit. That's a lot of word kit in the same sentence, wasn't it? That was funny. Anyway, so like I've done on earlier videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this start to finish, see how long it takes, and I haven't done any prep at all, so we'll see how this goes. And I hope you enjoy. I'm going to put some music on and I'll probably speed it up a little bit for you. So here we go. Enjoy. Okay, this one turned out really cute as well. I'm really liking all of these layouts. They are very bright, very cheery. They'll look great in my kitchen, and I'm looking forward to finding pictures to go with these, and just doing all kinds of fun things in 2020 to put in this calendar. So I hope you enjoyed this. It went pretty quick. My total time recording is about 30 minutes, so that's not bad at all. I did set this a little bit too far down. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you measurements. So I would say when you go to do this one, I would start at the bottom and work my way up. So I would do these, then I would do the Celebrate Today, and then I would put everything else up. As it is though, I don't think it looks bad at all, so I'm not too overly concerned about it. So I hope you enjoyed this layout. This is again April of the Cut Above Layout Kit Reasons to Smile, and I'll go ahead and show you what you get. You can buy just the Cut Above Layout Kit, which has all of the pieces that you need to make all 13 layouts. You could buy the kit that has the calendar included, the calendar here that comes with the stickers for the dates, or you can buy the kit that has the calendar, the stickers, the Cut Above Layout Kit, and the stamp set that is exclusive only to this kit. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I'll be happy to get back to you. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you would subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.